Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove a per server profile now. Open Discord on desktop or web and sign in. Click the server you want, then open the server dropdown at the top left of the channel list. If you see a per server profile or configure profile option, select it immediately. That's the entry point. You need permission to edit your own profile there, so confirm your account is active and not restricted. Once done, prepare to edit or delete the profile settings you find. Now you'll perform the core removal. In the per server profile editor, inspect fields, nickname, avatar, bio, and custom status. To remove a single element, use the clear or delete icon next to that field. To remove the whole per server profile, choose delete profile or reset to default. Make sure to click save or confirm. Discord will usually prompt you. If the UI hides delete behind a three-dot menu or gear icon, expand those. Once saved, the server will revert. Finish by verifying the removal in the server's member list and by looking at a recent message you've sent. If the per server profile still appears, sign out and sign back in, or fully restart the app to clear local cache. On desktop, clear Discord cache or use a fresh browser session. If you can't delete because of role restrictions, ask a server admin to adjust your permissions or remove the profile on your behalf. If anything fails, retry deletion after a short wait to allow Discord sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.